Here I wrote down some of the nouns that we had already looked at together, and I added the déterminants already, okay? So I have two columns. The first one is féminin, which contains les noms qui sont féminins, and then masculin, which includes des noms qui sont masculins. Okay, so la table, that means the table. La chaise, the chair. La fenêtre, the window. All of these are words that are féminin. So they are all des noms féminins. Right here are three words, three nouns, three noms that are masculin. Le livre, the book. L'ordinateur, the computer. Le mur, the wall. Okay? Now, as you can see, table is féminin. So the déterminant is féminin too. La chaise, féminin, féminin. Fenêtre, again, féminin. The déterminant is féminin too. Livre, it is a nom masculin. So if livre is masculin, the déterminant is also masculin. Ordinateur, masculin. Again, we can't say le ordinateur because there would be two vowels. So we replace the le with L apostrophe. Mur, un nom masculin. So the déterminant is masculin too. So if the déterminant is masculin, if le nom is masculin, the déterminant is masculin too. Okay? Again, if you don't know if the word is masculine, féminin, or masculine, look at the déterminant. That should help you out. There are also some other tips that you can learn later on. But for the most part, if you know this, you have the foundation, you have the basics, you are understanding the language, you are understanding what you are doing. And Google and a dictionary, all that can help you with knowing le genre and le nom.